Hello students, let's continue our value education series with a new lesson titled Happy Holidays. Children, do you like holidays? I know it's not fair to ask this question. Of course everyone likes holidays. Holiday word creates a great deal of joy in the minds of students, and if the holidays are summer holidays, then that's great. Freedom from homework, freedom from class. This feeling makes children very happy. But have you ever thought, children, that after the holidays, when school will reopen, and if your teacher will ask you a question that what unique thing you have done during the holidays, then what will you reply? Because you have not done anything special. You only enjoyed the holidays. So children, in this lesson, you will learn the tact to make your holidays more interesting and more beautiful. Here is the lesson. It was the end of the academic year. Miss Ranu asked her students a question. What have you planned for this vacation? What is there to be planned, ma'am? Asked Lalu. Enjoy the vacation to the maximum. What else? I'm counting the days and waiting for the holidays to play with my friends. Other students also gave the same answers. Majority of them have no pre-plan. Miss Ranu said, every year you do the same. Can't you make this vacation unique? Find out something to make your holidays more fruitful and meaningful. When you come after the holidays, each one must share whatever you have done during the holidays. The most fruitful project will be awarded. Children agreed and all went home with great enthusiasm. Now students started planning for their holidays. Joe and Jeetu were intimate friends. They planned to make a beautiful garden on either side of their gate. Jan was planning to make a beautiful album of stamps. Ramu's papa has made all the arrangements for him. In the morning, he has yoga and computer classes. In the afternoon, a teacher will come to train him in playing keyboard. And in the evening, he has practice for basketball. After the vacation, all the students gathered together to show their activities chart to Miss Ranu. Some of the activities were: I watched TV during the holidays. I made an aquarium. I helped my papa, mama and my younger brother. I helped my mother in kitchen for 1 hour every day. I took books from library, read them and prepared notes. I went to all our relatives' houses with my parents. I played with my brothers who live in hostel. There were many more activities like this. Some of the students shared that they simply enjoyed their days by playing, watching TV, talking, etc. They didn't have anything special to share. Miss Ranu was listening everyone's experience. Now it was Rose's turn to share their experience. Everyone knew Rini Rose, Prabha Rose and Raji Rose. The trio are always together for everything: walk, talk, study, work or any kind of activity. They came forward with their activity sheet with the following note: Holiday Project Report submitted by Rini Rose, Prabha Rose and Raji Rose to Miss Ranu. We have not done anything so great and noticeable, but we enjoyed our holidays and we feel very happy about it. We went to a nearby old age home and narrated stories to old people living there. There were 17 of them. We massaged the legs of certain old grannies. Some of them shared their stories with us too. We also cleaned the room, which were very dirty. Some of them cried when we helped them in their work. We all were surprised and afraid first, but they cried out of joy. We felt very happy when they laid their hands on our heads, saying, "Children, God will surely bless you." Everyone was listening with pin-drop silence. There were tears in the eyes of some students too. After a few minutes break, Monu said, Even I too feel the same. God will definitely bless you, our beloved trio. Now, Ma'am said, all of you have listened what each one did during the holidays. Now tell me, whom should we give the award? All were quiet for some time. Now Joel stood up and said, to our roses. Other students were also agreed with Joel's opinion. But Jomi has one doubt. He said, Ma'am, you told us one condition for our project too. It should have lasting fruits. Ma'am said, of course children, all of you have done very good activities, but they did the work of mercy, which was extraordinary. When everybody was thinking of their own good, they thought about others. Its fruits will remain forever. You all don't feel bad. I shall give gifts to all who worked creatively during the days. Remember to spend your holidays as you have done now. Come on and get your gift cards for very good holiday projects. All the students were thankful to Miss Ranu to make their holidays more beautiful and interesting. So children, it would be useful for you to plan and strategize on what activities you can engage with during the year-end school vacation. You should not be simply concerned with self-development, but also consider how you can make difference to the lives of others. It would be noble to paint a smile on less fortunate ones of the society. Thank you.